Hey, what is going on YouTube? Today I have an unboxing. This is the Sigma 16mm F1.4. Thread size 67 millimeters. This is just going to be an unboxing video. So let's just get right into it. And this lens is going to be for my Sony ZV-E10 right here. I have that on deck. All right, let's open this up. Sigma 16mm F1.4. Again, filter size 67 millimeter. Warranty. Manuals. And this is an E-mount, of course, for my Sony camera. Oh, this definitely feels like some quality. Lens hood. Doing a weight comparison between my Sony 18-105 here. They feel almost similar in weight. Nice. Definitely got to get a UV filter to protect that glass right there. I got that from off Amazon. I got this lens from B&H Photo. You got your focus right here. Of course, this doesn't have any zoom on it. This is just a 16mm. Very smooth. The build quality feels great on this thing. It's got some weight to it. Nice. Again, 67mm thread size right there. This lens does not have any image stabilization in it, but that's okay. The ZV-E10 does have digital stabilization, and most of the time I rock my cameras on gimbals anyway. Sigma on there, 16mm. And this camera, this overhead shot right here, this is the Sony ZV-1. Pretty nice. I've also got 3 other lenses for my ZV-E10. I've got the G series 18-105. This is an f4. I've got the 10-18 right here. And I've got the kit lens, Sony kit lens, the 16-50. I think this will be it for my Sony lenses. Let's put that lens hood on. Pretty nice. Oh hell, why not just go ahead and I go ahead and just put it on the ZV-E10. I always, since I don't want to get any dust on my sensor, any camera I have that has interchangeable lenses, I always do it like that. Do it like this and take the lens cap off like that. So if any dust comes down, the dust is not trying to fall up into the sensor. Where's lens? Oh, there it is. I got some dust on my sensor on my ZV-E10 here before, and I was like, WTF? But I got it off. Oh, there it is right there. Oh, there it is. Gotta line the dots up. There we go. There we go. Nice. Very nice. Sigma. Well, that will conclude this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Sigma 16mm f1.4. Look for a vlog or something from this lens. I'm definitely gonna take this out and check it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like unboxings like this, subscribe and hit that like button. Well, if you liked this video, consider subscribing to catch other videos like this. And until the next video, peace out.